Right. So I'm going to see if I can make a unit test to test my service. All right, so now the service impl has the constructor, but you notice the interface does not. Okay. So I'm going to test this service. So I'm going to say right click, or sorry, I'm going to test the implementation. Right click. Wait, no, it's not right click. It's option create test. There we go. All right, and I'm going to say sure. Add, update, and get. All right, and I probably want to set up, and I don't know if I need to tear down. Okay, so let's make a private service. Users.
Mind popping that up a bit?
Oh, sorry. Yes. There we go.
This is the first time I think I've ever heard you say that. He always brags about his great
Yeah.
Well, I just want to make sure everybody can see it.
Yeah, oh, very good. Yes, it was very
Of
nice.
course,
See it.
right? It's for Lenny.
That's right. It's only for Lenny.
And it's going to take a repository, right? Oh, all right, record scratch. I have to construct one. Yeah. Okay, so that, but that would need the full, that would need the stack, right? Because it's that's what I get for trying to do stuff off the cuff here. I warned you. Let me kill that one.
Because user service
Yeah,
takes
a repository, which is going to
right.
need. But it's no. You know what? I'll bet I can do that because here. Oh, this will get cool. All right, let me do this. All right, so in the here, right? I'm going to say because that's an interface, right? So if I say, it could get a little messy, but it's worth a shot. So
it just takes a user repository.
yeah.
Can we just pass that in?
Well, it's an interface, so you got to make one.
Sounds like a yes.
Right?
So we make
Bam.
a repository.
So now you can just hard code. This is a serious
Oh my God.
amount of like inner anonymous code, but
Oh, wow.
it's pretty clear what you're doing.
How come
Right.
we just instantiate the user repository instead of having
Because you don't have, I'm trying to do this as a JUnit without the full container.
Oh.
Okay, so now I'm going to make a list of users that I'm going to just have. So
I feel like I went down this path before.
yeah.
This looks
Really familiar.
And I was like, I don't like this. Like,
Yeah.
So you killed the test.
I did. I erased it.
Yep. But it's going to be fun. Come on. All right. So in the setup,
But if you change one thing in the repository, then you're gonna have to change like
yes.
a lot.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
only-
Yeah. That's the problem. Is if you
Yeah.
change your user,
Can you just mock
structure.
it instead?
Yeah.
You instantiate it somehow and then mock
Yes.
it. That way
you can.
only
But it will
change
take
one
longer to
thing.
run the test because then you got to build the whole Mockito thing. It's just this is just
Yeah.
like that because all I'm going to do here is say, let's see, user array.
But and you're not talking about the speed of running the test. You're talking about the speed to write the test.
No, I'm talking about the speed of running the test.
Really?
Yeah. So if you end up with a build time that is a day long to run all your unit tests, you need to start looking at stuff like this.
Right.
So the people that are really serious about TDD do this because they want to be able to run their tests every time they compile.
Right. It's
Right?
supposed to run like less than a second.
Yeah.
Right? That's
Yeah.
the definition.
Yeah.
Another definition of unit test.
Yeah.
Fast test.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Fast. Yep. So yeah. So now we got to say. Now we need to create a whole bunch of user objects and instantiate them, and then make them a list, and then set it for the stuff that we return. Okay. But for now, we'll just accept the null. All right. So here we just say, well, wait. I need my
And it's that
user
add
impl.
repository annotation. That's what's killing it, right? Killing the ability to just instantiate it. That's what makes it part of the whole Spring.
Yes.
Okay, but
Yeah.
if that annotation wasn't there.
No. So let me continue, and then
Sure,
let me
yeah.
think about that question a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
So all right. So user service impl. Oh no, I already had one. Sorry. I just need to set it. User service impl equals new user service impl, and I can pass in this sucker that I just made,
Right.
right? The repository,
But even
right? And now, add user, I can say user service impl dot add user. Oh, I need a user. So user equals new user. So I don't even need to set anything on it.
right.
Passing the user. This is the most basic test in the world right now, right? So, and then it can do the same thing for update user.
I think I definitely get the point though.
Yeah.
But I'm wondering if so let's say you didn't want to do that whole like big function thing
Right.
inside this test and just have because it kind of fails that whole DRY principle. So what if you had another repository that just extrapolated all of what was in that repository but didn't have the annotation, and then had the annotated repository extend from that one?
All right. Hold on. Let me stop the recording and we'll talk. I'm not sure I quite understand what you're asking there.
Sure.